You're dating the delivery guy?
Get that whole thing out your mouth like that, Javon.
Well, I don't know what I was worried about, but... It's very funny. Then why haven't I seen him on Johnny Carson? Or in the movie?
Is that chicken nugget good? Is it good, baby? Is it good? Huh? Look at them curls on top of your head. I don't want it. You're messy, Juters. Say da 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 da. Da 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 da.
So if you can look at a map and see people waiting.
What are you doing? Say da 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 da. Come on. Da 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 da. Give me that. Give me that piece. You're not definitely not gonna eat that part. You want some ranch? Some barbecue? Barbecue sauce.
I'm here because she wanted my approval before things went forward.
Javon, is that eating?
We're all going to go to dinner now.
Eating your first chicken nugget?
I appreciated it. This is the last
No. Why do you always know when you're on camera and stuff? No, sit down. Sit down, finish that nugget. Kisses. No, sit down. Hooty doody. Sit. I'm gonna choke on that. You look just like your raggedy daddy. Say raggedy. Javon. No, sit down. Go beat your daddy up. Javon. Jay, what are you doing?
How does managing deductible work?
That folder is like your insurance deductible. Big. Always hanging
No! Sit down. Thank you.
Amazing. Speak to me.
It's just an analogy.
I'm getting baby acne. Look at your, come here, look at your hair. Got some hair on that egg. Beat your daddy up. Beat him up. Beat him up.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Beat him up. Yeah, clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Now slap, slap, slap.
No.
Slap him with the nugget.
What, monkey bones? Where you going?
Gonna try to tear up stuff. See? He agrees. Ew, nasty. Say excuse me. Say excuse me.
All over your face.